Hey guys, so this is what I did today. Clearly, I'm using the Colourpop California Love palette. I asked a couple people on Facebook last night, they wanted to see this one, so this is what I did. I also redid my nails. I really like to do like jewels on one hand and then leave one hand plain, but yeah, this is what I did with my nails. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the video because my husband is still working from home and can probably hear me talking right now. So if you want to see how I created this little look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so this is what I did, obviously, but so this is what the little palette looks like. You would have seen it by now, but I think it's really pretty. I think it's a really fun like fall palette, and it'll be a lot of fun to use like this summertime. I'm trying to whisper so that he can't